What is up, everybody? Welcome back to another new earning video, and today we are talking about an app called ZBD. And with ZBD, basically you can cash out to Cash App and a bunch of other different options. You can also play games, do surveys, and a bunch of other things with ZBD. And for those of you who do not know, I've already reviewed ZBD in the past, but today we are jumping back in to ZBD for 2026. With that being said, let's jump into it. ZBD is a pretty good app still in 2026. They have games like Bitcoin Miner and Coin Master and even the Star Trek game to choose from. And ZBD uses the Bitcoin Lightning address to cash out. It's also super secure and fast when you're cashing out using the Bitcoin Lightning address. Alright, so we're on the ZBD app, and as you can see, I have a balance of 3,227 sats. The homepage features a playtime button, rhyme surveys, more games with my chips, and ZBD Arcade. You can also earn big, top 3 games of this week on ZBD. You can also do a daily poll once a day for 5 sats. And this is the Bitcoin zone. It shows you all places where you can cash out. Basically, if you're a new user to Cash App and you withdraw Bitcoin from ZBD to your Cash App, you'll get 116,000 sats, which is a decent amount of money, I'd say. It's like, I'd say it's about $100 or so. With Gemini, if you sign up with Gemini and cash out your sats from ZBD to Gemini, you get 24,000, and Rock Wallet 26,000. Down at the bottom, you can learn a bit more if you're really new to all this type of stuff. They tell you what is Bitcoin, what are sats and satoshis. Sats are basically satoshis. It's a small form of Bitcoin. What is Bitcoin Lightning Network, and any other questions you can ask them. And at the very bottom, they have their featured ways to earn, which are just basically games. And the next tab is the games tab, the ZBD Arcade. Just shows you all the games. I personally only play the playtime games. They also are doing 2 times rewards till February 2nd right now. So 8 hours left. Next tab is ZBD offers page. And so we had already talked about the Cash App offer. That's probably the highest paying one right now. They got Acorns, Crypto Miner Tycoon game. You can take surveys and get 1.5 times rewards until February 5th. There's 3 days for that. More offers like highest paying, community favorite, Review, and Ad Gem offers. Then if you go over here, you find the community tab where you can invite friends and family. You get a 20% match of your friends' earnings. If you invite 5 friends, you get a 30% match. So there's a limited time bonus. If you invite a friend, you and your friend get $2. You can also quick earn, watch a video, get 5 sats from this page. And you can check out what's happening with ZBD on Discord. And you could directly join their channel straight from here. And then lastly, we have the wallet page, where it's just going to show you your gamer tag and your Lightning address. Then it's going to show you your cash out options. And it's going to show you at the bottom Bitcoin price, sats to USD price. So $1 equals 1,274 sats. You see your transactions. You can scan a QR code. You can redeem vouchers. So basically today with ZBD we are cashing out to Crashout, and so there's been a new update. You don't have to jump through a bunch of hoops when cashing out to Crashout. Basically you just enter your cash tag is now your Lightning address basically. So the Bitcoin Lightning Network lets you send fast, low-cost Bitcoin payments off-chain. So basically, you just enter your Cash App name, and then it's going to bring you here. I'm basically going to withdraw all of them. You can see that's $2.50 worth. Do this. Withdrawal succeeded. And if you go to your wallet, it's now elsewhere. So now let's go to Cash App and I'll show you that. Alright, so this is actually the email that I got for Cash App. So I received my Bitcoin instantly at 253. It's now 254. They took a small fee and I got $2.48. And then if you go to Cash App, you can see that it's there, and you right there. So there it is. And basically from here you can use it however you want to. You can save it, you can sell it, you can trade it, whatever you want to do. That is how you do that with the ZBD. It's super easy. You don't have to jump through a bunch of hoops, and you don't have to really verify only once. One thing that I did not put in my old videos is that ZBD also has a browser extension. So if you're on a computer more often than a mobile phone, ZBD also has a browser extension. You can get it on the Google, Google Chrome or Opera or any of those browsers. Any browser that offers an extension, you can download ZBD on it. And so like other apps that I've showcased on my channel, you've seen that a lot of them do have cash out minimums, meaning you have to have a certain amount of money in order to cash out. While with ZBD, there is no cash out minimum. Now that you've all seen ZBD and what it has to offer, you guys seen me cash out almost $3 with ZBD. It's super easy to cash out. It's super fast. Received my payment within 1 minute, and it went straight to my Cash App, and you can use it for whatever you want. And to keep earning, you just keep playing games. Play your favorite games that you find on ZBD, and yeah. If you like this video and you want to see more videos like this, please drop a like on this video. Also subscribe to my channel to see more videos like this, and hit the bell notifications, all preferences. That way you can see all notifications from my channel whenever I drop a video, a post, or anything like that. I want to say thank you to each and every one of you for tuning in today, and I will see each and every one of you in the next new earning video. Peace.